In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ClickUp. Tags are an incredibly helpful feature in ClickUp that allow you to label, organize, and manage your tasks more effectively. Whether you're sorting by priority, tracking deadlines, or categorizing tasks for your team, tags make it easy to stay on top of everything. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating and using tags in ClickUp step by step so you can streamline your workflow and keep your workspace as efficient as possible. Let's dive right in. To begin, open any list within your ClickUp workspace where you're currently tracking tasks. This could be a project list, a to-do list, or any other area where you organize your work. Once you're in your chosen list, click on any task or property within that list. This will open the task details or bring up the specific area where you want to make changes. Now locate the tag area. You'll typically find it labeled as tags, or it might appear as a small icon somewhere within the task details. Once you've found it, click on the tag field. This is where you'll start adding tags to help organize your tasks. Next, type the name of the tag you want to create. For example, you could type high priority if you want to flag a task as urgent, or review needed if it's something that requires further attention. Once you've typed the name of the tag, press enter. This will create the tag and automatically attach it to the task you're working on. If you need to add more tags, simply repeat the same process. Click back into the tag field, type the name of your next tag, and press enter again. You can create as many tags as you need to categorize your tasks into different groups or priorities. Now, if you prefer working in board view instead of list view, you can switch to that layout. In board view, your tasks will appear as cards. Click on any card or task to open its details. From there, follow the same steps we just covered. Locate the tag area, click on the tag field, type the name of your desired tag, and press enter to attach it. The process is exactly the same, so you can seamlessly add tags no matter which view you're using. Once you've added tags to your tasks, you can use them to filter or sort tasks by specific labels. For instance, you could filter your workspace to only show tasks with the high priority tag, or sort your tasks by different categories based on the tags you've applied. This can save you a lot of time when searching for tasks or focusing on specific areas of your workload. As your workflow evolves, you may find that you need to edit, remove, or create new tags. ClickUp makes it easy to refine your tagging system whenever necessary. If a tag no longer applies, you can remove it from a task. Or, if you need to add a new category, simply create a new tag and start applying it to tasks as needed. Finally, it's important to communicate your tagging system with your team. Consistency is key when multiple people are working together in a shared workspace. Take a moment to explain how tags are being used and what each tag represents so everyone is on the same page and can collaborate effectively. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along with this tutorial. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use tags in ClickUp to better organize your tasks and streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.